All right, time for your handyman tip. You're working a big board by yourself. So, easiest thing to do is measure down the width of your board, mark. Take a drill and a screw. Hopefully everything's going to be friendly. There's your extra set of hands. So let me back you up and you'll see what I'm doing here. I guess I'll give you this angle to watch me work. I've already measured and pre-cut my board for how much overhang I want. So, did you see how nice I did that? I probably should have pre-started some screws. If I'd done that, I'd have been really good. That would have been much more professional. So let's do that, at least one. Before I try to get my final lineup, let me pre-start something. Oh, yeah. Excellent. Now, line it up on the top, because we're going flush here. And that's it. That's it. Now go to the other side and put a screw there to make sure you got your right height, because it'll be easier to do your adjustments on a pivot. Yeah, in fact, this is too high. Again, I got to remember to pre-start those screws. There we go. Bingo. Done. Yeah. That'll work out just right. Just right. So that's one rail. I'm going to do the same technique to get the other one on. And from there, I've got to figure out this door. I actually feel like I've made some progress. I've got the post in now everywhere. The top rail is up. I've attached the table for the new workstation to the railing. And then I've scabbed on some pressure treated to go into the ground for the front. Nice and solid. Or as solid as tables will be, you know. But that's done, man. Things are tying up nicely. I've still got to get a lower board across here. I've got to trim out this section through here. Just add some of these fascia boards just to make it look a little bit more tied together, and I think I might even do something up there. Okay. Well, I've taken it as far as I can today, but as you can see, I'm now in the process of creating a look, and between the platform, the rails, some more rails to decorate, this is starting to slowly come together. There's going to be our new workstation, which eventually will get doors and everything on it. And dry storage container. See, it's all starting to tie together. And here's our workstation, the nice railing. I put in a takeout section so I still have access. And lo and behold, there's the back rail. And if we keep moving around the deck, one more rail for the side. This will all green in. Remove all the little bits and pieces. And this is now a unified project. It's railed underneath. And see, when you stand up here and look at it from the front, it all ties together and spaces out right. See, you can still get yourself through here nice and easy, but the fences look like they connect. Same thing with these two railing sections. The space in between will disappear with a plant. And here, when this green's in, you will have my new green island that hopefully the deer won't destroy. But that's it. It's here. It's looking good. All I gotta do is get the landscaping in. I've moved the garden beds. I've done it all. Very close to being a done deal. See if I can give you one last angle look of it from up high. The new backyard, side yard living space. And when it's all done, cleaned up, wow. Get some furniture out there, it'll look great. And we'll have the privacy of the trees when all of this green's in again. All right, well, that's all she wrote for today. Thanks for watching.